Welcome back to my channel. You're watching XKGLOW and my name is Jeff. Before we get started today, I just want to show you guys a new product that you can get on our new XKGLOW merch Instagram. I will link the Instagram name right here, but it is hq.bmw.official. And we've just launched a new product on the Instagram page. We are now making some toques for the winter season here in Calgary. So if you want one of these toques, it has a really nice XKGLOW tag on there, and it is handmade by my wife. If you want one of these, comment below, message me on Instagram, or go to this Instagram page and send a message and we can get one off to you. Yeah, so back to our regular scheduled vlog. Let's hit it. Here we have it, a naked Quinn. All of the silver, red, black pieces removed. It's completely bare. There's a few little pieces stuck in door jambs and in the hood that I don't have my keys out with me, so I'll get them another time. But I wanted to get the car down to the bare white, alpine white that it is. And here it is. If you've seen it driving around, you would think it was just another white BMW driving around the streets. Boring, basic. We got to do something with it. And comment below if you think you have some ideas. I put some ideas in the previous video, so if you haven't seen them, go and watch the previous video. But we got some designs and I have put them up on Instagram, and the majority actually wants to go back to the red, so we'll see what happens. But comment below, let me know what you guys think. I have to change the banner as well, but my fingers are so sore from taking all the vinyl off that I'm gonna have to wait, because they're numb, they hurt. They've had enough for the day, so we're gonna leave it at that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we're gonna get to why most of you guys came here. So one of the biggest questions I get asked with my car is, how do I get sponsors? People want to know what they can do to get sponsors for their own rides. So I'm going to go over a quick talk on what I did and how I went about it. December 8th, 2017, I had my right ankle fused due to peripheral neuropathy that was deforming my ankle. So I was laid up on the couch for 3 months, and I was getting super bored and I was trying to find something to do. So I started to think, surely there's a way to get free car parts or sponsor car parts where it's not costing you so much to get all the parts. So what I did was I actually Googled, how do you get free car parts, or how do you get car sponsorships? And I come across a link on the Jalopnik, however you pronounce that, website, and there's a guy that actually wrote quite an informative article on how he went about getting sponsorships and free car parts. So I read through it, and I'll link that below in the comment section. But I kind of just followed what he did. So first thing is, you want high quality photos of your car, and you also want renderings of your vehicle on what you think and what you hope it's going to look like. That is going to be what you're going to be sending to the sponsors or manufacturers for the car parts. The second thing that I did was I wrote up a really professional email outlining different things. So first I started about talking about myself. Why am I so passionate about the cars and the builds and the automotive industry? And I just talked briefly, don't go into like super detail, and just like key points of where you live, what you do, why you think that you want to get involved with the sponsorship. The second part I talked about was car shows that I've been to, awards you've won. This isn't necessary. You don't need to win awards to get sponsorships. It's going to show the vendors what you've done, where you've come, and how they can maybe get you to the next level. The third thing I did was outlined all the modifications and what I did to the car so far, and then I briefly got into why do I want to work with that manufacturer. For example, with the XKGLOW sponsor, I really wanted to do red underlighting, so I emailed 4 or 5 different lighting companies, and I said that I want to have the red underglow lighting to go with the theme of the car, and I think that it would take my vehicle to the next level for the car shows that I'm attending. And I got a lot of no's. A lot of people were like, no, sorry, we don't do car sponsorships, sorry. But I didn't get discouraged, and neither should you guys. You're gonna get told no. You're gonna get told you can't do it. But stay persistent and keep focused, and you'll get there. I mean, I finally got a yes. XKGLOW sponsored me, and I truly believe that it took my car to the next level for the 2018 show season. So, and then the last thing that you want to do is, what can you do for the company? Free car parts isn't the normal. It's not going to happen a lot. Most of them, it's a partial sponsorship. So what will happen is you'll get a certain percentage off of the item, which is usually quite considerable. But if you're already thinking of buying the product, then you're probably already willing to spend the money for it. So why not do a little bit of work in return? You can save 20, 30, 40%, whatever it is that works out with the sponsorship, and they're happy, you're happy, and you're going to be posting it on Instagram or your social media anyway, because you're going to be excited about it. So it's kind of a win-win situation for everybody. Now what? Well, the first thing I did was I went to the websites, and I went and looked for the contact us, any email address that I could find to send this email off to. You'll find that actually there's a few manufacturers that actually have a sponsorship link. Sometimes it's up with the whole contact us stuff, or if you actually look down below on the website, there will be actually sponsorship opportunities, and that usually has the email address that you're going to be looking for. If not, some of the places that I emailed, they actually sent me the email address that I should be using, because I kind of emailed it to the basic help me contact us. So I hope what I've been rambling on about has given you help on how to get car parts, free car parts, sponsorships for your ride. And comment below on if any of you've got sponsored and what did you do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and peace.